too. But yena because uyazi ukuthi yini ayifunayo kumina despite ukuthi uficani phansi kwemilenze yami akaphuma emlenzeni yami athande mina and wenza iqiniso ubangithanda usho ukuthi njengoba busy la ekhaya ibhizi ule njalo lesitabane ujwayele lesitabane ujwayele nomjida wena ukula magama basingisa uma ngabe ngingekho wangithatha wangiletha kubona wathi nangokule ngiyathandana naye and ngimile mina la edongweni ngasesicabheni ngime kanje ngibabuke kanje ngathi mina siyathandana Jolo yami siyathandana so aziphelile-ke iy'tori zami ziningi so njengoba ngisakhona ngizokwenza sure ukuthi yonke into engixoxela yona iyalaleleka and ngiyafunda kuyona and nami ngafunda kukona so kukona konke emjoleni wami ngishelwa umfana there was a story that happened back then ngeke ngashare but angibanga into details ngaso so I'm just going to be in details manje kusona so ngisekhaya nosisi bami about two lomunye she's late may her soul rest in peace sihlele ku sitting room bangene bawu3 uyena nomunye umfana nomlungu mabefika basinkile bafaka ukuthi hayi how you'd see abazalwane ba ofakazi baJehova so babefika babingelele amabhayibheli bahlale phansi kube kuhle ke phela bafanda bangena endlini nasihlele sibhorokile semini baqale basitshele ngoJesu silaleleke shame basitshele ngoJesu silalele ngoJesu sithandaze which is good but you know ngiphazamisekile because naye ngendlela ngibuka ngakhona nami ngendlela ngibuka ngakhona khona okusalayo bahamba when they were done okay sharp lifikele unyusuku abuye esebuya nomlungu sebe2 okay but futhi one and the same thing babuza ukuthi lilo iBhayibheli ngevese basindika lona sifundeni hayi ke asifundanga mzo trust me but we had to participate kubona bas correct kwamnandi and ihlesa sikubona ngalo futhi again laliphinde libuya ngathi no man lona while we adlala ama dice waphinde ubuya futhi kwesithathu sihamba yedwa ngathi no it's the end ngathi awungeke nginento ngitshela uhlalaphi washo yeah kwenzakala ngempilo yakho wachaza and then naye wachaza usho ukuthi ungithandile besaba ukungitshela which is good sajola sithola kamnandi to an extent ukuthi he was the first guy that engahamba ngaye kuthola impilo siyohlola isandulo lengculazi so because sifuqala i-relationship la sasikhona ukuthi isithetho sami ngiyasazi nesakho uyasazi siqala manje in a clean slate how you'd see abelungu they would do baqala kanje abelungu shina abantu abamnyama sinze lento vele sikhale nje same time so mina ke ngozi ngiyayithanda ukuthi ngazi ukuthi ngibhekene nani let's please go through it and then ngahamba say clinic so this clinic which was called Ithemba Labantu which is closer to us so sahamba saya consult test because it was closer and at the time uthandile mina ngakhona we would mesh ama colors so mangithe black jean now it's black jean at white top nami ngithi white top so every time simesha kanjalo and njengoba siphuna umphakathi uyabuza ayibona ama lovers awu2 ulenje is in a relationship so yayimnandi kanjalo and wathola umsebenzi wasebenza after ukubona kofakazi waqala wasebenza nga understand empilweni yami ukuthi shoot kahle ukuphiwa imali umuntu wesilisa into ekumina ngiyaphiwa mina imali angiceli like ngiyaphiwa imali so every time ehola angiphe imali angithenge grocery apha endlini so endlini behlezi ukuthi lo mfana le kahle kwenzakalani ngaye uyakuthanda umuntu okazi usakulethele igrocery not just into encane akaxoshi he brings like ayijumbani he brings igrocery endlini okay so actually ngamnaye we would go out together see a mall we would come back together so I was for request we'll just use a text because I don't have my request back then so we'll use a text sahamba say casino we went he wanted to gamble he gambled kabili kathathu and then we came back endlini masibuye ngiyabuye nesiphithiphithi esikhona again but nginganaki because I'm thinking abangani vele ngibajwayele abava msuzo ngicheck endlini okay ngingene and then usibamba bathi blindfold the kitchen because the kitchen of course you're busy ngizobona ukuthi there's something that's happening in this house bang blindfold ngithi yini thawu kahle ungayispoil surprise ngithi yini ungayispoil surprise yimuke ngivala amehlo ngize ke sithi passage sitting room sondela mangithi vu tha surprise mangithi ngithi nangumlisa la duze kwami lalela uguqe ngedolo even worse ikhekhe elikhona etafuleni kwideko likhulu like lingangesandla ubude balo libhaliwe ukuthi for my wife le and khona bangasekhaya khona uma bangasekhaya kugcwele. Oh my God, kugcwele, and sengizibona sengisemshadweni uNkulunkulu wami. And it was beautiful. It was beautiful. Uthando ayinalo. He even invited a few of his friends from emsebenzini wakhe la uqalile. Kwakuhle, kwamnandi sajabula, friends were invited, kwamnandi. Kwaze ukafika la sengibona khona ukuthi ayi ngeke injabulo kaBaby sidlulele. Yabona injabulo masidlulele nawe uyazibuza uziphendula ukuthi ayi ngeke awusenze kahle. So ekujabuleni kwakhe kwi relationship yami naye uBaby uyasithenga isikhwama. Yabona isikhwama awuyasithenga futhi uyasiphaka and uyaphanga. I'll elaborate what is that to you. So isikhwama uyasithenga and uma isithenga isikhwama uyaliphaka isokisi. Aliphaka isokisi emva kwalokho ajabule kuze kuyobuya uJesu. Kise ngibona ukuthi ayingeke akusiyona impilo lena. Akusiyona impilo ngoba ngibonga nokuthi indlela ebekadenza ngayo as much as bengiprotect ubengiprotect emphakathini angiprotect kubo ngoba wangithathwa ngisa kubhuti malume nombhuti kuyena. Yeah, but wangisa kubhuti omdala kubo wayosho ukuthi njengoba ibhizi la ekhaya ibhizi ule njalo lesitabane ujoyina lesitabane ujoyina nomjida wena ukula magama basingisa mangabe ngingekho wangithatha wangiletha kubona wathi nangokule ngiyathandana naye and ngimile mina la edongweni ngasesicabheni ngime kanje ngibabuke kanje ngathi mina siyathandana Julo yami siyathandana. So that's all. Okay, siyabonga ngathi ngiyabonga lapho ngimbambela eceleni hayi ke sincenge siphuma kodwa yini why athi hayi ngoba bayaphapha. So saphuma ke and then ke saqhubeka saphila kahle. So cause umuntu ohleze nabangani and abangani bakhe banokuhlangana on Mondays. Angibizi athi kunomngane wakho othenga umuzi so ufuna ngiye khona kune braai. Okay, let's take along, let's go. Hambe masifika bakhona abafana abawu5. So angikwazi ukufika ku space ngifike ngibe into ehleli nje ethule. Ispace engikusona it speaks ukuthi something has just arrived. So ngifica khona amantombazana awu3 ahleli lapha yana. They're just quiet minding their own business emafonini. Nabo bhuti lapha nabayixoxa baningi. Mangena ufika na ngiyabona nabangibazi ngiyababona. Hi guys, ninjani ngiyaphila? Nguleka malami. Masish. Yes, ngibingelele ninjani ngiyaphila. Asho ukuthi uBaby wami lo. Oh yeah. Ngibone ukuthi okay now I need to go to girls of course. Ngemantombazaneni mangibika ninjani ngiyaphila. Nguleka malami. Right nami hlale phansi kube mnandi. Kuthiwa akuthenga inyama yake konje masalad. Of course Tina, we need to do all those things. During that moment bawuthenga inyama, one of his friends were having a conversation. Yes, story that isenzeka kubona. Ngithi mina oh nice ngiyayithanda imoto eshisayo. Like it's beautiful like ingifanele imoto eshisayo. So abuze ukuthi udinga nini ngithi ASAP but ngiyayidinga nje because uBaby naye ngifuna abe part and parcel in terms of financing that car. Yabona? Hayi ibe mnandi iphathi kudlule 3 days after ifika imoto ngisendlini ngizihlalele ngiziphathela iphone. Ithi ngane emamkhulu kaEnzo so usisa umlingane so ngibiza ngomamkhulu. Ithi ngane enokhaya mamkhulu kaEnzo khona ucelayo mangiphakama awu akuyena phela umuntu wami lo nemoto engilindele ukuthi kube yena kuthiwa khona umuntu ocelayo but enye imoto and guess what Zoo2 ngiphume ngime bekunetebhisi lapha endlini kumina back then before kune driveway. So ngime khona ngibingelela ha ngimbona ubhuti lo oh it's the same guy sasinaye ngelanga leli le party braai. Ngibingelela njani phela aphuma emotweni he's wearing gloves in all in black nomngane wakhe laba 2. Okay hi guys ninjani ngiyaphila yeah ngiyaphuthuma ke singa 6k. Hey. And I'm thinking 6k what for? But wemoto I'm thinking okay but why bo 6k besingayikho into kanjalo but imoto yashisa sithi siyaphuthuma. So now I'm thinking and ngibefuna so and I'm thinking why was imoto ngiyaphuthuma why iyashisa but at the same time ufuna ucash 6,000 manje usathu 6,000 mina and futhi angi-understand ukuthi why ngifuna into yami ngithi baby umngane wakho usibani bani nangu lana kade ngifuna imoto eshisayo athi angizwanga ngithi loudspeaker ngithi mina bengifuna imoto eshisayo ngithi ngikhuluma nabo manje bayilethile athi wafuna imoto eshisayo ngithi imoto efana nami and like le ungazongihlanyisa and I don't know ukuthi ngizifake kwini. And at the time ngendlela kwakumungu ngakhona le mfana I'm sure ukube wengamsabi lo wami he would have done something so horrific empilweni yami. Ngabe angizazi ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe ngibuso wamsabuhle kanje na yini you know mhlawumbe ngabe nginesika I don't even know but ngibonga abafana baselokishini eMlazi. Abafana baselokishini eMlazi they got my back. I'm saying this with joy. Abafana basemlazi, they got my back. Kunobhuti who is late now. Upelepele, then uzoyiphendula ngesingisi igama lakhe.
Oh, I know.
So wangisiza. What is? Sisho kwenzakalani ngathi mina kunabafana and sekwenza into kanje. Akuphelanga isikhathi. He was there. Wakhipha imali ukuze akwazi ukusiza mina. Wakhipha imali ukuze akwazi ukusiza mina. Kuqatshwana. Yabona lento ekuthiwa i-helicopter ibheka imoto. Ngangime egcekeni ngibuka idlula it. And guess what? I-track go banana. La ngasekhaya. Ngiyabonga until today. Pity angisakwazi ukuthi ngimahake ngimtshele ukuthi till today ngisakubonga. Wangisiza lo yamfana. Ngangifisa even ukuthi ngibe khona emngcwabeni because babebona ukuthi ngendlela engithanda ngakhona benza sure ukuthi umsebenzi engisebenza nabo ukuthi bayangithatha bangisa kwenye province for umsebenzi lo kangiwenza sesikhathi sengisebenza. But ngiyakubonga lokho. So abafana basemlazi ngibonga up until today yonke into engiyenzayo they got me. Buka mina masibuka imoto engasili ukuthi ayihamselani. So me thinking ukuthi njengoba bekhuluma ngemoto eshisayo babuke mina nami ngabona ukuthi iyengifanele kodwa hayi imoto entshontshiwe. Imoto entshontshiwe iyashisa. But no, angifuni imoto entshontshiwe. It must be imoto eshisayo like a convertible car, you know, your SUV cars. That's what I'm expecting. Hayi ukuthi nizonginika imoto entshontshiwe. Like imoto efuneke mayifike abazali bami bayithathe bayiblesse. Iblesse kanjani imoto nomndeni okhalayo ngemoto simiswe mina entshontshiwe akunjani, you know. So bafika abafana like ngibona abafana serious abafana ba clean bafika bagcwala nje igceke. But okay le wenze iphuthe likanje lilungisa kanjani and I don't have lo 6000 abafunayo. So wangisiza shame ubhuti wayilungisa into ya right baphuma kumina. So kube into ehlala ihlekwa leyo because umphakathi wonke wavele waphuma uzubona ukuthi ngikwi spotlight kangakanani. Kwaphuma umphakathi wonke wasondela. Abazange bame emafasteleni nabo nasemagcekeni babuye from a distance ukuthi ngabe kwenzakalani lapha kaSish. No, they came beza. So everyone in my community basazi story. And kwafika la sengibona khona ukuthi oh okay uthando as much as ngilithola liqala nasekhaya likwazi ukudlulela emphakathini ukuze ngibe comfortable nasemjolweni wami. Ingakho ngakwazi ukuhlala up until today njoba I've shared with you earlier on ukuthi bekwi birthday yakhe month end of the nyanga isiphuma kuyona. Ngibona ama archives amengikhumbuza pictures that we've took together ngasithatha ngasithumela kene but ngasenza view once and then he responded wakufoda Masishi kusuku inyanga yami kusasela usuku lami lokuthi kube birthday yami usenda isithombe sikanje. I'm grateful to have you empilweni yami. You know abantu bebesho ukuthi uthandana kanjani no le who's a transgender person. Yini eyiba yi relationship phakathi kweni no two. But yena because weyazi ukuthi yina ayifunayo kumina despite ukuthi uficani phansi kwemilenze yami. Akaphuma emilenzeni yami athande mina and wenza iqiniso bangithanda. Yabona uthando leyani lubanzi lujulile yo and ngeleso sikhathi I remember ukuthi there were beauty pageants engangwa attenda. Yeah, he attended every beauty pageant. So lolu suku ngithe ngiyabuya ngalo and sengibuyile ngibuyele kuzongixoxela akuningi engizocela ukuthi nifunde kona mina ngicela ningithande and ngiyabona ukuthi ama comment akhona niyangithuka ama comment enu mase niyabuya kuma DMs niyangisendela all love ngiyabonga. I don't know why but ngiyabonga.